Good morning everyone. My name is Moksha. I'm studying in first class. Good morning everyone. My name is Nehan. I'm studying in first class. We are saying about community helpers. Community helpers are people who helps us in our neighborhood. Now we are showing some neighbor helpers. So let's start. I am a teacher. I working in the school. I am a lawyer. I work in the court. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. I work in the hospital. I am a dad. I am a driver. I am doing the car. I am a banker. I work in the bank. I am a traffic police. I am a road. I am a house helper. I work in the house. I am a policeman and work in a police station. I am a nurse. I work in the hospital. I am in car repair. I am in car mechanic. I am in the cars. I am a tailor. I work in the tailor shop, stitching the clothes. I am a baker. I bake cake. I am a fireman. I am working in the fire station. I am an electrician. Work on the pole. Thank you. Standing action. Good morning, everyone. All of you, join your hands, close your eyes, repeat after me. Asatoma Santamaya. Asatoma Santamaya. Samatoma Jyotirgamaya. Samatoma Jyotirgamaya. Nityamanu Tangamaya. Nityamanu Tangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pledge my country. All Indians are mine. Brothers and sisters. All over my country. And I am God of history and heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all lenders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in the will be
everyone. My name is Siddharth. I'm studying in first class. Every day is a new chance. Thank you, everyone.
My name is Karunya. My studying in first day to do something good. Thank you. My name is Nick Jayashree. I'm studying in first class. Tables. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 7 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to us. Have a nice day.